Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a review of this Thermacell mosquito repellent. It's the backpacker version, and I'm going to show you everything in the package, how it works, and tell you how it worked for me. So let's jump into it. Number one, this is the box that it comes in, and it comes with 4 different repellents. They're folded in half, and when you open it up, that's what it looks like. So it says 16 hours, but be aware that you have 4 hours here. And then you also have your user guide here, which goes through exactly how to use it. Make sure and read that. And a cool little Thermacell carrying case as well. And then this is your Thermacell Backpacker here. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to remove the warning label, read that, off of the package, and then open up one of these here, open one up, and then once it's open here, you simply slide it right in the top. And then once that's in there, it is ready to go. It's literally that easy. Now from here, you can use either a 4-ounce or you can use an 8 or 16-ounce canister. I have one of the larger ones here. And all you're going to do is pull the cap off right here, and you're gonna screw this on here. And once this is screwed on, you are ready to fire it up. So let's do that next. To fire it up, you just click this button here. First, you make sure this is turned on, and then you click this button here. And once you do that, you will notice in the back, there's that little guide right there. And when you look through there, you can see that it's turned orange and that it is on and running. So I had the benefit of testing this out with mosquitoes and no-see-ums in Florida in a pretty buggy area. And it says with this that it has a 15-foot radius, and I can tell you it worked really well against mosquitoes and no-see-ums. And all you do is turn this on and just leave it there, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for it to get that 15-foot diameter where you're not going to have the mosquitoes or the no-see-ums. And overall, I thought that it worked really well, and I like the fact that it is so simple to use. And to turn it off, all you do is simply flip this switch here, and it's turned off, and then you unscrew this here. And that's it. And then put your cap on, and it stores right in your bag. And you can save this that comes with it to simply push out the old pads. And they say once this gets light blue that it's pretty much used up. And as you can see from this one, it's starting to get that way. I used it for a couple hours. And then when you're done, you simply load this right into the carrying case here that it comes with. And tie it up, and that's it. It is ready for storage, and overall, I've been really happy with this.